Well, there it is. This Littlestown's, or I think it's Littlestown's Hardware and Foundry Vise is complete. This was made in Littlestown, Pennsylvania, and they've been in business for quite some time. They actually are still in business today and still have their little company. It is no longer the Littlestown's Hardware and Foundry. I believe it's called just Littlestown's Foundry. But they still make these. They still have a website. You guys can look them up. This turned out really nice. I'm really happy with how it looks. This was the first time I decided to paint the letters, which was something different. I wanted it to stand out a little more than just being raised up in the gray, and I like how the silver still stands out, or just like the metal look stands out. I went ahead and cleaned up this right here, and I got oil on the threads so that it doesn't get sticky anymore and protects it from all the rust. I was originally going to have this handle be black. I think the paint's going to end up wearing off after a little while, but it is enamel, so I'm hoping that it'll stay stronger than normal spray paint. But I really like the look of this. I really like the gray color with the black letters. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys have done it a different color? Do you guys like it this color? I didn't want to do another red and black. I really like this gray. Let me know your thoughts on the painted letters as well. I really like how they stand out. If you guys do too, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button and follow all the other stuff I do, all the restorations, woodworking, blacksmithing, some DIY stuff. I do all sorts of things. If you guys do enjoy the things I do, please consider going over to Patreon and helping support that way to keep all these videos coming. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead, hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next one.